Okay, part 2 here. I'm gonna have my tag here, and I'm gonna try collaging some of this rice paper. So I'm just gonna kind of randomly tear into some organic type shapes. I've got some Liquitex matte medium, fluid medium here that I use a lot. It is just to give it a little sticking. And then I'm going to, I like this feathered bit there. We could always repunch that hole, so I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna put something down underneath here, actually. You can save these bits and use them for other things. Let's see if I can see through as the rice paper sort of disappears. And then this can dry. You can do stamping on top of this. You might do and I'm going to set that side to dry. Let's see, I've got some alcohol in here. I might go ahead and that'll give me a spot to put these pixie spearmints. I don't know, I'm just playing. Sometimes you just need to play with your supplies and see what they can do. Put a little bit more of that. Where did I put it? That is Spearmint from Cosmic Shimmer. It's got a nice little thing going on there. Now it's going to bubble on the surface because it's this water-based bit, but that's fine. I don't know how much medium this can hold, the rice paper. So, there's some left behind here. Do some lemon yellow on top of that. It's one of my favorite yellows. And it might interact a little bit still with that Cosmic Shimmer powder. So you can see the marks left over from the previous gel prints with the tags. So that's kind of fun. It's actually a fun block there. And I have some left over. So let's see. What damage can we do? Oh, I also got these. These are actually for clay texture, and I got them as kind of a stamp. So, and then you want to wipe them off. So, for example, let's do something that would go nicely with yellow. I don't use neon colors very much, so here goes nothing. Neon pink. And then you can stamp into that. It stamps really well, so it's like a texture plate, and that's from Michael's, and they wipe off really easily, and they're double-sided, so I thought that was a really nice use of space. There's a wood grain, sort of a burlappy one, and so forth. Tag like that, and just lift this lower half. Might not come up actually because I didn't wet it like a dork. Okay. It's gonna go there. This one's gonna go here. Oh, that looks fun. Look at that. And then you can just color block. And it gets all those bits from the corner of your gel plate. And fun. You could put several of these together with a binding, a little flat binding like washi or something, and make a tag booklet. That would be fun to do. Down again. Okay, so we can put this guy on here. Okay, pull that off. Half, and then the other half of this. Like that. That, and so on and so forth. So hopefully this gives you some ideas, I guess, to go get into your craft stash and get moving there with some of your supplies, and just have fun exploring, see what they do, because then if you're doing it on less, on more expensive things, is a good time to try it out, because then you can use it on canvases and whatnot, and you can see the different layers and patterns that you can make. And so I am not an expert in gel printing, but I have fun doing it. I feel like it's very easy to get out, very easy to use, and I always love the results. Thanks guys for joining me. Please check out the links. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day.